Hey there! Welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will be sketching a beautiful lotus. But at the beginning I want to say that if you are a new viewer of my channel, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Now let's keep drawing.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always
My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.
For the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back